Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English with Sarah and Daniel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Hello, Sarah. And hello to all our amazing listeners out there. So happy to be here again.
Me too. So, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Just had a warm cup of chai, so I'm feeling nice and relaxed.
Ooh, chai is always a good idea. I'm okay too, just a little tired.
Tired. Don't worry. Tonight's topic is perfect for tired people like us.
That's right. Today, we're talking about the evening routine, what we do after work or school, and how we get ready for bed.
And we'll learn some simple and useful English words and phrases along the way. But first, don't forget to like this episode, subscribe,
and share it with a friend who's learning English.
All right, let's set the scene. The day is over. You walk into your home. What's the first thing you do?
Easy. I take off my shoes.
Same here. That is such a nice feeling.
Then, I change my clothes. No more work clothes. Time to relax.
Yes, home clothes are the best. I wear a huge, fluffy sweater. It's pink and cozy, my house sweater.
I have an old blue t-shirt and some gray sweatpants. Not stylish, but so comfortable.
Exactly. Okay, we're in our comfy clothes. What's next?
Dinner. I'm usually hungry by then.
Me too. Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, but if I'm too tired, I just order something. Maybe pizza. I love pizza.
That's fair. I enjoy cooking, though. It helps me relax. I usually play some soft music and make something easy, like rice and vegetables, or soup in winter.
That sounds so peaceful. Okay, dinner's done. What time is it now?
Maybe around 7:30 p.m. Time to relax.
Let's talk about how we chill in the evening. Sarah, what do you do?
I sit on my soft green sofa and watch TV. I love light, funny shows. I just want to laugh at night.
Good choice. I sometimes watch TV too, but I really enjoy reading. I have a favorite chair, my reading chair. I sit there with a book and a warm drink.
What do you read?
Mostly mystery novels. I like trying to guess who the bad guy is.
Ha, that sounds fun. But I think my brain is too sleepy for mysteries.
That's fair. On some nights, I just listen to music with my big headphones. No screen, no noise, just music.
That sounds amazing. Like meditation.
Exactly. It helps my mind quiet down after a long day.
So, Daniel, do you ever go out in the evening?
Rarely. I'm more of a homebody.
What's a homebody?
Someone who loves staying at home. That's totally me.
Me too. But on Fridays, I sometimes meet friends for dinner or go to the movies. And yes, I buy the big popcorn.
Of course. Popcorn is half the fun. But yeah, most nights I stay in.
Now, the clock says 10 or 10:30 p.m. What happens next?
Bedtime. Well, almost. First, I turn off the TV, say goodnight to my cat, then go to brush my teeth.
You have a cat?
Yes. His name is Leo. He's black and sleepy, like me.
Cute. Yes, brushing teeth is super important. I also wash my face with warm water. It feels so fresh.
Right? It's like telling your face, okay, the day is done.
Then comes the best part. Pajamas.
Yes. I wear gray ones. Simple, but soft.
Mine are blue and white with stars. They make me feel like I'm already dreaming.
All right. PJs are on. Do you jump into bed right away?
Not quite. First, I check my phone, but only to do two things.
Let me guess. Set the alarm?
Bingo! And check tomorrow's weather so I'm not surprised in the morning.
Smart. After that, I put my phone across the room. No scrolling in bed.
Good habit. Then I lie down and read a paper book for 5 to 10 minutes. It's part of my calm down time.
I do the same. Unless I'm too sleepy, then it's light off, eyes closed, and zzz.
A perfect evening. Calm, quiet, and cozy.
Wow. Sarah, that was a peaceful conversation.
It really was. I feel more relaxed just talking about it.
We hope everyone listening learned some new English words for evening routines like pajamas, relax, homebody, and bedtime.
And now, we want to hear from you. What do you do in the evening to relax? Do you read? Watch TV? Cook dinner or order takeout? Let us know in the comments. It's great practice for your English, and we love reading your answers.
Before we go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode. Let's keep learning together.
Thanks for joining us today. Have a wonderful evening and good night.